Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I stand here on behalf of my party to speak on the general budget. Stop. Sir, a budget is not merely a statement of expenditures and receipts, it is the mirror of the government and it is also the vision of the government. Stop. Through the budget, the government speaks to the nation that it wants to go in this direction. Stop. I will definitely thank the Honorable Finance Minister present here for trying his best to see that there will be a roadmap for this country. Stop. But for how many years will this roadmap to be there? For a decade or till 2030? Stop. That has to be clarified. Stop. He has tried to satisfy all the sections of the people living in this great country, irrespective of religion, caste, color, or creed. Stop. He has tried to reflect everything, but it is very difficult in a country like ours with the fiscal deficit that we face every year to satisfy all the sections of the people in one budget. Stop here. Sir, I wish the crude oil prices continue to be as they are or even less than the present level. Stop. But if the crude oil prices go up, what will happen to the budget? Stop. The minister has tried his best by increasing the excise duty on petrol, diesel, and kerosene everywhere. Stop. He is taking away more than rupees 60,000 crores to rupees 70,000 crores out of this. Stop. How is he going to meet the challenge if the crude oil prices increase? Stop. I am asking this because this depends on international market. Stop. Era. The commission has recommended rupees 1 lakh crores as the state's share in the net proceeds. Stop. I would like to mention here, had the commission adopted the previous criteria, the states would have been eligible to get a share of 53%, amounting approximately. Stop. The fourth finance commission has put an end to the special category status. Stop. The special category status is one way. Stop. Now this finance commission will come to end by this March. Stop. The point which I am going to make now is that it is the problem for all the backward region districts of the country. Stop. The schemes which are going to be delinked from the central support are going to be closed. Stop. I would like the finance minister to please throw some light on this aspect. Stop. This is being closed for a backward state like Odisha. Stop.